Bharatiya Janata Party is asking, why is Omar Abdullah government imposing Urdu language on Hindus and in a region where Urdu is not widely spoken, which is the Jammu region, unlike Kashmir where Urdu is still widely spoken and written. BJP says Jammu youth are being denied a level playing field. Sunil Ji Bhatt joins me for the latest on that. Sunil, how has this suddenly erupted as this huge furor and protest on the ground? What is the BJP allegation against it?
Pooja, language war has intensified here in Jammu and Kashmir. Right now, I'm standing outside the civil secretariat here in Jammu city, and you can see that the BJP MLAs are staging dharna. They are staging protests against the Omar Abdullah government. They are holding banners in their hands. They are saying that Urdu is being imposed on Jammu region. Recently, Pooja, Jammu and Kashmir Service Selection Board came up with an advertisement. It was about the recruitment of Naib Tehsildars here in Jammu and Kashmir. But the controversy erupted over the fact that there was a clause that applicants need to have the knowledge of Urdu. Urdu's knowledge was compulsory as far as, these jobs are concerned, and that is why the BJP is up in arms. For last 1 month, the BJP activists, youth morcha leaders have been staging protests. They are saying that Jammu youth are being denied level playing field, and it's a direct bias against the youth of Jammu. The BJP says that after the abrogation of Article 370
if someone
and 35A,
willing to speak up, let's go and listen into some of the BJP workers and cadre and leaders. Sunil.
I will Pooja just speak to the BJP MLA from Udhampur East constituency, Ranbir Singh Patania.
Yes.
Mr. Patania, there is massive political storm in Jammu and Kashmir right now over this issue. What do you have to say?
There's a government which has been elected to power, which believes in the policy and the philosophy of the, for the and by the false promises, hoaxes and hallucinations. With regard to all the guarantees promised in the National Conference Manifesto, they are not able to satisfy even a single of it. Nothing is visible on ground. This Sarkar has no impact. But
what is your demand now?
But you see, the Constitution of India doesn't allow discrimination on the basis of region, religion or even language. So the government has tenaciously stung to a provision which says that for the post of Naib Tehsildar, only those candidates can apply, those who have the knowledge of Urdu and those who are able to write it.